Matatapos na natin ang first quarter. Kapit lang.
I have you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and this afternoon we are going to discuss about determining the equation of the parabola or our quadratic equation using graphs and zeros. So paghihiwalayin muna natin, una nating i-discuss yung determining the equation using graphs, okay? In finding the equation using graphs, the first step is to find the vertex at point HK. Next, point out any ordered pair along the graph. Third step is to substitute the values of h, k, x, and y that you have extracted from the graph to the equation y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k and solve for a. Next, use again the vertex form of the equation to substitute your given values of h, k, and a. Expand and transform to standard form. Let's take a look on this example. Ito rin po yung graph na nandun sa slideshow kanina. So let us try to generate an equation using this graph. So ano nga yung una nating step? Identify points from our graph. So in this case, we need to find the vertex, diba? Vertex is always the minimum or the maximum point of our parabola. Also, we need to know the location or the ordered pair doon sa isang point ng ating graph. We can use this one para positive na siya lahat, or pwede ka rin naman mag-pinpoint ng kahit anong point values na gusto mong gamitin sa parabola mo as long as it is plotted along the graph. Pero mas maganda na ang gagamitin nating value ay yung mga madaling isolve, let's say positive numbers. So let us identify the vertex. So bibilangin mo lang siya along our axis. We have x is 0, then yung y ay positive 1. Next, for the point value na gagamitin natin, along our graph, siya po ay nakatapat sa ang x ay 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 po yung ating y. So that will be the value of our x and y as well as h and k. So if we're going to look for the value of a given these four values of h, x, k, and y, gamitin daw natin yung formula na y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k para ma-solve yung value ni a. So substitute lang natin, y is 5 is equal to, wala pa yung a, times x is 2 minus h 0 squared plus k 1. 5 is equal to a, then we have 2 squared plus 1. This is 5 equals 4a plus 1. Adding the additive inverse of 1, that is negative 1, we have 4a plus 1 minus 1. Cancel this out. 4 is equal to 4a, dividing both sides by 4, our value of a is 1. So, meron na tayong nakuhang value ng a, which is a daw equals 1. So, magsasubstitute na tayo since na-solve na natin yung a, h, and k. Then, this will become y is equal to a, then x minus 0 squared plus 1. Simplify, pwede na nating i-disregard yung 1 since coefficient na hindi na isulat ay equal din naman sa 1. So, y is equal to x minus 0, edi x lang squared plus 1. Then, this will be our final answer. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo kapag ang given ay zeros, paano natin i-ma-identify ang ating equation? In finding the equation using zeros, the first step must be change the 0 to factor form. Then, multiply the factors using the FOIL method. Finally, finalize your answer by using the standard form y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. For our example, try to find the equation with the roots 7 and negative 3. Since we know for a fact that x is equal to 7 and x is equal to negative 3 as the roots of our equation, we can transform them into factor form x minus 7 and x plus 3, bringing to the left side our constant and adding their additive inverse to both sides of the equation. Next, we multiply these factors. We have x minus 7 times x plus 3. Using FOIL method, first term by first term is x times x. That is x squared. Outer terms, x times positive 3 is 3x, and the inner term, negative 7 times x. That is negative 7x. Adding like terms, the outer product and the inner product. We have negative 7x plus 3x is negative 4x. Plus the product of the last term, which is negative 7 times positive 3. That will give you negative 21. So the final answer must be y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 21. Yun guys, mag-try pa tayo ng dalawang examples naman gamit ang zeros, then we can generate our equations. So for our number 1 example, we have 8 and 4. We know for a fact that x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. Adding the additive inverse and bringing the constant to the left side, this will become x minus 8 is equal to 8 minus 8. Then x minus 8 is equal to 0. Similarly, we will be adding the additive inverse of 4. So x minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4. Cancel this out. We have x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 8, enclose it with a parenthesis, and x minus 4. The final step is to multiply them. So x minus 8 times x minus 4 is equal to the product of the first term, x squared, plus outer terms, negative 4x, plus the inner terms, negative 8x, plus the last term, which is positive 32. Combine like terms, yung nasa gitna, the product of the inner and outer term must be added together. This will be x squared minus 12x plus 32. So this will be the value of our quadratic function. Y is equal to x squared minus 12x plus 32. For our second example, we know for a fact that we will just be changing the sign of our given root para mapunta siya dun sa ating factor. Yun yung ating pwedeng gawing shortcut. So, this will become x minus 1 half. Since positive yung 1 half dito, then imumultiply natin sa x plus 6. Since negative yung 6 na given. Pero, yung 1 half, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. Ilalagay mo lang yung 2 doon sa taas, tas gagawin mo siyang whole number para mas mabilis mag-multiply. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-multiply ng fraction to whole. So this will become 2x minus 1. So this is true for all factors na fraction. Kahit anong fraction pa siya, pwede mong ilagay ang denominator as coefficient of the variable x. Times x plus 6. Mas madali siyang i-multiply ngayon since puro whole number na po tayo. So, first times first, 2x squared, then outer to outer, plus 12x, inner to inner, minus x, last to last, minus 6. Simplify natin. So, magiging y is equal to 2x squared na siya, then plus combine like term 11x, subtract, then minus 6. So this will be our final answer. So this is your turn. Since medyo madali naman ang ating lesson, you try it with yourselves. Please do answer the following activities. Guys, I hope you learned our lessons for today. If you still have some questions, you can comment down below. If you learned the lesson and you liked it, subscribe to my channel for you to keep posted sa mga future uploads natin. So well done. Malapit na natin matapos ang first quarter. keep in touch para sa second quarter topics natin. So this is Sir Marki saying congratulations in advance. Job well done this first quarter. New normal setup. Bye guys.